Get your fresh baked brownies.
Smells great.
They're chocolate chip.
I'll take 1/3 of the pan.
That'll be 1/3 of $12, please.
Thanks. Chocolate chip are my favorite. Are these chocolate chip?
Yes, they are.
I'll take 1/3 of what's left.
What is 1/3 of the 2/3 of the pan that is left?
All right, so you're on problem 2.1, and we're still in the Let's Be Rational folder. And the newest folder's on top, problems 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3, but we're looking at 2.1. So when you pull this problem up, it says, how much of a pan have we sold? Finding parts of parts. So how much is 1/3 of 2/3? A word that you really need to pay a lot of attention to is the word of. In math, you should know most of the time what the word of is telling you to do in terms of a math operation. Is it asking you to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? So in problem 2.1, and I'm reading this straight from your Schoology problem that I've posted, it says, all of the pans of brownies are square. A pan of brownies costs $12. You can buy any fractional part of a pan of brownies and pay that fraction of $12. For example, 1/2 of a pan costs 1/2 of 12, or $6. We can write this as a number sentence using of. 1/2 of 12 equals 6. So for this problem, I will give you this lab sheet right here, lab sheet 2.1a, and each one of these represents a pan of brownies, so you can do some sketching on each one of these. It would be beneficial to probably have some different colors to sketch with. So for this problem, you're going to do part A. It says Mr. Williams asked to buy a 1/2 a pan of brownies that is 2/3 full. Well, this is blank, just like these up here will be blank. So you'll need to show or sketch in, shade in a 1/2 a pan. He wants to buy the half of the pan that's 2/3 full. So you would start off by drawing what 2/3 full would look like, and then they want a 1/2 a pan. So it says use the copy of the brownie pan model right here. Draw a picture to show how the brownie pan might look before Mr. Williams buys his brownies. On the same model, use a different color to show the part of the brownies that Mr. Williams buys. Note that Mr. Williams buys part of a part. So you're going to be showing that with a picture. Number 3, what fraction of a whole pan of brownies does Mr. Williams buy? How much does he pay? Write a number sentence using of to show your thinking. So you'll do parts A, parts B, part C. After part A, check your answers at the solution table. After doing part B, check your answers at the solution table. Lastly, take a screenshot and turn in your work. So, you'll be using this lab sheet. You may also want to put some of the work in your spiral notebook. Good luck.